So there we go, the Fiesta project is now done. The original plan for this car was to buy it, fix it, and then sell it for a profit. However, my plans have changed a little bit now, and I'm going to daily it for a few months, which is actually a really good idea because it gives me a chance in about 500 miles or so to drop the engine oil out and give it a fresh oil change, hopefully getting rid of all the remaining rubbish that was inside the oil system. What I thought I'd do is I thought I'd break down the costs of this car from start to finish, and just kind of show you what kind of profit level there would have been in this car for me. So I bought the car off my brother-in-law for £400. Obviously it had various engine issues that we knew about and we needed to get sorted. I then bought the turbo for £80 and 99p off eBay. I then bought the pickup pipe kit, which was a really good kit because it came with the turbo oil supply feed, as well as the banjo bolts, any crush washers, even an oil filter. Then I bought the sump sealant, which was £10.50. I then bought the oil, which was £28.99 for a 5 litre container. I did buy two, which I only used one to begin with. However, like I say, now with the oil change in mind in a couple of 100 miles or so, I'll use the second one then. Then obviously I broke off one of the leak-off pipes on the injectors, so I had to replace that for £8.99 for the whole kit, which was actually really good as well. I do think that this particular project probably would have been undertaken by any DIY home mechanic. It wasn't particularly technical, it was just kind of bolt-on, bolt-off stuff. If you've got the time and space to do it, it's well worth being able to tackle something like this yourself. If you'd have taken this to a garage, it probably would have cost you a small fortune, very labour intensive. I probably spent about 6 hours on this project by myself. Any DIY mechanic probably would take about the same, and I would thoroughly recommend giving it a go. So there we go, I really hope you enjoyed watching this little series of videos. I have got another project car already lined up, however, next up will be a little bit of a personal project for myself. Really going to look forward to working on this one, so I hope you guys enjoy watching it. Thank you very much for watching, see you next time.